So now to fade in the beard, right? We just finished doing the actual haircut. Now I'm just gonna go in and fade in the beard, okay? So the existing length right in here is roughly between a 2 guard and a 3 guard, right? So if I were to show you, this is the number 2 guard, okay, the 6mm. If I go up, you can see how the hairs hit right in there, which means that they would get cut if I used the number 2 guard lever closed. So I know that roughly it's about a 2. So I can use either the 2 lever closed, lever halfway, or the lever open, and I'll match the hair right in here. So this is the longest guard I'll need in order to blend this in. So I'll probably use the 2, probably like up to like here, and go this way, blend it, and then just gradually go down the guards. So I don't think I'm gonna go in sequential order. I like to do the beard slightly different in terms of the sequence. So let's jump in and I'll show you real quick. Number 2 guard, lever open, and let's go ahead and let's knock about half of this off. All right, is anything cutting? Yeah, you see how all that's getting cut? It's not a lot, right? It's not creating a hard line, but I can still see it. Okay, left side, same thing. Yep. So now I can go in. What I want to try and do, let's try and be cheeky here. What I can try and do is, because my beard's relatively long, this was with the no guard lever open. This is with the number 2 guard lever open. What I usually have done in the past is take my clipper with the no guard lever open again. I like to put the clipper upside down and I'll just flick at the line and go maybe like 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch just by flicking going down. And this will just blend it a little bit because I don't want to give it like a full-fledged beard fade. I just want to blend it into the actual length up here. So let's give that a shot, and it should work. So I just got my clipper no guard lever open and just gonna flick down a little bit. Right, I'm gonna use my finger as like a guide to stop flicking down at. Okay, now I'm going to use the corners just a little bit, hit the line. So let's have a little fun with this. I can use the thinning shears and just nick a little bit at the line. Have a little fun with it. Because the beard is a little bit different than the fade. And it looks pretty good. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. It's blended. I'm just looking at this section here. It's blended relatively nice. And I barely had to do anything. All right, so now let's do the same thing. And use our finger as a barrier to not exceed that portion. All right, right in the corners. Okay, let's use the thinning shears. All right, I see a few spots right in here. Let's use the thinning shears. Let's brush it down. Okay,